Hello friends, my name is Masood. Today we shall discuss about a topic that what is Twitter. Nowadays we all knows that social media is very popular. Social networking is very important, like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and one of the thing is Twitter actually in the social media. So today we shall discuss that what is Twitter and how it works and what is its important and why it is important to use Twitter nowadays. So let's start friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start friend. What is Twitter actually? Friend, Twitter is a micro blogging system that allows you to send and receive short posts called tweets. Tweets is nothing simple, just a message which you can share with your followers actually. Tweets can help up to 140 characters long and can include links to relevant websites and resources. Twitter uses users follow other users. If you follow someone, you can see their tweets in your Twitter timeline. You can choose to follow people and organizations with similar academic and personal interest to you. You can create your own tweets or you can retweet information that has been tweeted by others. Retweeting means that information can be shared quickly and efficiently with a large number of people. Basically, friend, the concept of Twitter is that basically it's a simply you can say a short blogging site, and what you can do like whatever you are thinking, whatever you have. For example, you have knowledge about IT, for example, and you can share your thoughts and you can share information about IT. So what you can do, you can start tweeting. Tweeting means that you start messaging basically on the Twitter. You have to create an account which is a free on the Twitter, and you just sending short messages on the Twitter which should be not more than 140 characters. You can share links, you can share photos, you can share content, whatever you have expertise with your followers. Actually, followers means the persons who are following you. So when you share that, when you tweet, the people who are following you, they can see your tweets, your messages, and they can comment on that as well, or they can retweet and share with other people as well. Similarly, other thing is that if you are following to someone, so whatever he is tweeting, so you can also see that and you can get information from them as well. So now the question is, why use Twitter actually? Friend, is for Twitter is easily promote your research, for example by providing links to your blog stories, journal articles, and news items. Reach a large number of people quickly through tweets and retweets. Follow the work of other experts in your field. Build relationship with experts and other followers. Keep up to date with the latest news and developments and share it with others instantly. Reach new audience. Seek feedback about your work and give feedback to others. Follow and contribute to discussions on events. Express who you are as a person and what you want, what you are doing. So nowadays, friend, we have seen that Twitter is very popular, and many even government agencies like they are also using the Twitter. They are tweeting on the Twitter, and they can share information about themselves so that people can get to know about. Example of Twitter, like usage of Twitter, details of new publications or resources you have produced. For example, you have a new publication, you can share it information about Twitter. New items that feature your research, links to any blog post, material content, thoughts on conferences you attend, questions to invite feedback, interesting news items you have found, interesting photographs, content, replies to other people's tweet, retweet of other people's tweets. So there are so many examples of using the Twitter, that why Twitter is important. Friend, remember that nowadays Twitter is very important, and it's a very common use to use Twitter. Many agencies, like for example government agencies and very authorized agencies nowadays are using Twitter because it is easy to use. You can easily reach to thousands of people, and nowadays it's a very common thing to use. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you.